Hello, my name is Akilito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Imagine by John Lennon. First, I'm going to teach you how to play each chord, and second, I'm going to teach you how to strum. Then, I will sing a song for you. That's the singing part. First, I'm going to teach you how to play each chord. There are 8 chords in this song. This is the list of chords you will learn. So let's get started with the first chord. First chord you need to know is A minor. With your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top string. That's A minor. The next chord you need to know is C. With your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the bottom string. That's C. The next chord you need to know is C major 7. With your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the bottom string. That's C major 7. The next chord is D minor. With a point finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, and with a middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top string, with your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. That's D minor. The next chord is E7. With a point finger on the 1st fret of the top string, with a middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, with a ring finger on the 2nd fret of the bottom string. That's E7. The next chord you need to know is F. With a point finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, with a middle finger on the 2nd fret of the top string. That's F. The next chord you need to know is G. With a point finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, with a middle finger on the 2nd fret of the bottom string, with a ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. That's G. The last chord you need to know is G. 7. This one. With a point finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, with a middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, with a ring finger on the 2nd fret of the bottom string. That's G7. So that's the whole chord you need to know. Now I'm going to test you with the chords in order to know whether you remembered chords. Now I'm going to test you with the chords. I will tell you 3 names of the chords, and I want you to play the chords when I tell you the chords. Okay? The first chord, A minor. Yes, that's a chord. This is A minor. Yeah. The next chord, C major 7. Yeah, that's the one. Next one, E7. Yes, that's right. Remembering chords is the first step to learn ukulele, so I hope you learn all these chords. Now let's move on to the strumming pattern of this song. We're going to pick instead of strum in this song. I will show you what I mean. We're going to use this pattern. As an example, I use C. This is a chord, okay? With the point finger, it should be around the 1st string. With the thumb, should be around top string. And first, pick bottom 3 string of your ukulele with your point finger. And with the thumb, strum about top 2 strings, okay? Or just top string. Then up, down, 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 all the way through the song. Did you get the idea? It sounds like the original version of the song. That's the whole tutorial I'd like to give you today. Now, let's move on to the singing part. I'm sorry again, but please click the card to see the singing part. It shows now. Thank you for your cooperation. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.